Let's take a look at environmental influences on leadership. Environmental influences represent factors that lie outside the leader's competencies, characteristics, and experiences. Internal environmental influences affecting leadership performance can include such factors as technology, facilities, expertise of subordinates, and communication. External environmental influences, including economic, political, and social issues, as well as natural disasters, can provide unique challenges to leaders. In other words, environmental influences are a part of the skills model, but not usually under control of the leader.